So let me ask you a question. Are you tired of spending countless hours on manual work and reading the endless flow of emails? Jakamo is here to solve that exact problem and make your life easier.
Jakamo streamlines and automates the purchasing and sourcing processes, which in turn enables you to focus on the things that actually matter in supplier collaboration. No more wasting your precious time on tedious tasks. Jakamo offers simple and efficient solution to automate your workflows, save time, and increase productivity.
Typically, your data is managed and stored in various channels, including emails, folders, and multiple applications. Navigating this mass is a frustrating burden for everyone. The manual, non-value-added work is not motivating anyone. By utilizing our innovative SaaS platform, you can automate your workflows and collaborate with your suppliers like never before.
Jakamo enables you to manage and handle the most common supply chain processes, including forecasting, purchasing, sourcing, value engineering, supply quality, and supplier master data.
This is how purchase order looks like in Jakamo. Each purchase order has its own dedicated page. It's where the basic data, order rows, tags, tasks, files, discussions, and people come together and stay in one place. In Jakamo, everything is well organized and everyone can find what they need. Everything happens in real time between the customer and the supplier.
Let's imagine that you are on a vacation or out of the office for a few days. When using Jakamo, your colleagues do not need to waste their time on searching any information or data that they need. Everything is available for them, while you can enjoy your relaxing holiday. They will see all the data, shared files, discussions between your company and suppliers. How could you even imagine doing this in any other way?
It's super easy to use the platform. Trust me, even the people who aren't tech savvy can use Jakamo.
This is not even all of Jakamo. This is only a short overview. Compared to the traditional supplier portals and EDI connections, we are not only delivering data transfer, but we are offering a holistic scope of features which are designed for a manufacturing business environment.
Jakamo is Microsoft's preferred solution built on Azure. We have several well-documented REST APIs for purchase orders, forecasts, claims, and ASN, just to mention few. Jakamo enables secure data flow between your ERP and the suppliers. Even the suppliers can automate their order intake and order confirmation between their ERP and Jakamo. Many of the suppliers have done this already, which is of course valuable for you too. Our proven product delivery process is very short and delightful for both customers and the suppliers. That means high supplier commitment, which leads to effective supplier onboarding and quick, continuous financial impact.
With Jakamo, you can enjoy an exceptional supplier experience that will take your business to the next level. So, why settle for less when you can have it all with Jakamo? Join us today and unleash the power of true supplier experience.